How long does the repair take? When bumper buddies come out to give you an estimate, we'd only take about 10 minutes. But if we did the work, it's gonna depend on the extent of the damage. But generally, all of our repairs can range from an hour and a half to 3 hours. If your car only requires a PDR, which stands for painless dent removal, your vehicle can even be fixed in as little as 45 minutes to an hour. We'll never need to keep your car overnight or for days on end like traditional body shops. Our mobility and specialization in bumper repair allow us to complete all jobs efficiently, meaning your car will be on the road in no time.